Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discover the elegance of rose gold pendant set designs, the perfect accessory for every occasion. In this video, we delve into the exquisite world of rose gold pendant sets, showcasing their timeless beauty and versatility. Whether you're dressing up for a special event or adding a touch of sophistication to your everyday look, these pendant sets are a must have in your jewelry collection. Let's explore a stunning array of rose gold pendant sets featuring intricate craftsmanship and captivating gemstone. Learn how effortlessly to incorporate these pendant sets into your outfits, from casual chic to glamorous outfits. Now friends, why you should choose a rose gold jewelry? Rose gold exudes a unique warmth and elegance, making it a standout choice in the world of jewelry. We will also discuss the durability and versatility that makes rose gold a preferred option of pendant sets. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more insightful jewelry tips and stunning collections. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.